it's your girl Dana, and welcome back to my channel, Ahooperstouch. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. So y'all, I am going to be vlogging. Stall me out ahead of time because I am definitely new to this, but I am going to get a tattoo today. I'm not going to tell you guys exactly what it is right this second, but I am going to take you on this journey with me. I currently have 4 tattoos. I haven't got a tattoo in the last 6 or 7 years, so this is definitely going to be new. We're marching into like uncharted territories right now, but I definitely wanted to be able to vlog and document this experience as well as I can. Yeah, so comment down below right now what you think I'm getting. Don't wait until the end. Comment below what you think I'm getting and where you think I'm gonna get it at. Do it right now. All right, I'll be back. All right, y'all, we here. Ooh, you see me? Yeah, we here. About to get this tat, dog. Y'all, I forgot how a tattoo feels. Like, this is gonna be a long night. But I'll keep you updated. Okay guys, so it is the very next morning after my tattoo, and I just want to break it down to you guys as far as like pain, what I got, and why I got it. So the pain, I have a really high pain tolerance, but I definitely was in for a shock when I got this tattoo because it's not my first tattoo. Like I said before, this is number 5. And I honestly forgot what it felt like to get a tattoo. Like I stated before as well, like it's been 6 or 7 years since I got a tattoo. So y'all, I was like, wait, hold on. So I would say out of 10, it was maybe like a 5, 6. There were some moments that I had a 7. But it really didn't hurt. It was very tender, so that's where like the pain came from, but it wasn't bad at all. Like we were sitting there playing music, I was watching 42, like it was good. Towards the end, I was on FaceTime with my sisters, and y'all, towards the end with the shading, and I've already been there for a couple of hours, like it hurt. And them cracking jokes, I didn't want to hear none of it. Like when I tell y'all, I didn't want to hear nothing they had to say. I was like, let me just sit here and breathe because y'all are distracting all of this and not in a good way. So I would say the pain was probably like between a 5 and like a 4 and 7 at times. And what I got was this. Ooh. I will insert a video of my tattoo right here. Can you see it? I can see it. Let's write it down. All right, so I inserted the video. The tattoo that I got was a cheetah. If any of you guys that knew my grandma knows that she loved cheetahs, like panthers, like any kind, lions, like she loved all of that. So, but cheetahs in particular, she loved. So I was looking for a tribute tattoo to dedicate to her, because this year marked 3 years of my grandmother's passing. And I was looking at different cheetahs, and I found this one cheetah that had blue eyes, just like my grandma. Like, when I saw that picture, I was like, that's exactly what I want. Like, that's what I need. Like, that is my grandma. That's her. Like, it had her eyes. It was her favorite animal. It was perfect. So that is what my tattoo is of, and that's like the meaning of my tattoo, just in memory of my grandmother. I loved her dearly, and I still love her. So I just wanted to carry her with me through it all. And some people that I told before I filmed this video that I was gonna tattoo, they were wondering like, hey, so would you get another tattoo after this one? And the answer is yes. I do want to do a tribute tattoo to my grandfathers. They both served in the U.S. Army. So I'm thinking about maybe getting their dog tags or something tatted as well. And then also my son, like, I can't leave my baby out. So I'm going to try to think of something creative. I already have a few ideas in mind, but I will take you guys down that journey with me once it gets here. But I want to thank you all for watching this video. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell notification so you are notified every time I drop a new video. Hey, and if you haven't noticed, this is the second time this week that I uploaded for y'all. Like, I'm just saying. Whoa, I caught you guys. You were in good hands. But when I tell y'all that I love y'all, I love y'all. So on Monday, I will be posting a DIY video. So you can comment below if you have any ideas or anything that you want me to DIY. And I'll probably DIY this weekend. But if not, also comment below what you think I'm going to DIY. And then let's just have a whole conversation in the comment section. Like, let me know if you guys have any tattoos. Let me know if you would get any tattoos. What has been the longest you ever sat for a tattoo? Because I think yesterday we probably started around 6 something, and then we ended at 10:30. We had a few breaks in between. Your girl was thirsty. But other than that, that was like 4.5 hours of just, sitting there getting tatted. I wouldn't say that was my absolute longest, because I do have an arm piece, but whew, that pain came out of nowhere and hit your girl. But enough of this talking. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys on Monday. Yeah.